I know. Welcome back, guys. Steve, Al Metal Driving, almetaldriving.com, here with Balo. What's up, dude? Say hello. You're not going to? Okay. Well, guys, I originally wasn't going to record this video. To be honest with you, I just was being lazy, and it takes a lot of work. But nonetheless, after I started, I couldn't stop. Balo, come here. After I started, I couldn't stop. So, but then I did have to get that camera. So it's going to be a little shorter, but here we go. Let's do it. Balo, tell them later. Tell them later. Bubby, sit. Bubby, sit. Come on, dude. Ugh. All right, like I told you guys, that was gonna be short. I was just being lazy, man, and I regret not going through the work because it was a great video. Had I done it all, but this is gonna be Balo, Steve, Al Metal Driving, almetaldriving.com. Guys, check out my Periscope. It's phenomenal. It replaces the flex hose behind your dryer. the machine slides back in. I have multiple videos out there just showing you how easy it is. So till next time, guys, we'll catch you.